In 1997, scientists recorded one of the loudest and strangest sounds ever heard from the ocean, deep inside the Mariana Trench, the darkest place on Earth. The sound was so powerful it was detected more than 3,000 miles away. They called it the bloop. At first, researchers thought it came from a massive sea creature, something even larger than a blue whale. The sound pattern was organic, like the call of a living thing, but no known animal could make it. Later, some said it was caused by shifting ice. But even after that explanation, the ocean kept whispering. Strange, deep sounds that seemed to repeat, almost like a heartbeat. The Mariana Trench is over 11 kilometers deep, a place no human has fully explored. And maybe that's why. No one truly knows what made the bloop. Maybe it wasn't ice. Maybe something alive still hides down there, waiting to be heard again.